Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Fashion Design. Today we are excited to show you the trending and beautiful yellow outfit bodycon. Make you sure to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. So, hi friends, are you ready to get trending? Let's talk about the latest yellow bodycon dress trends. From bright to blood, we have got a scope on Red Horse right now. Hi guys, want to see some amazing yellow bodycon dresses, outfit ideas? We have got some inspiration to share with you. Hi friends, want to take your yellow bodycon dress to the next level? We have got some expert styling tips to share with you. Want to know the best way to style your yellow bodycon dress for your bodycon type? We have got some awesome tips and tricks. Hi friends, want to see some amazing yellow bodycon dress? We have got a haul to share with you. Hi friends, want to ask some question about yellow bodycon dresses? We have answering your burning fashion question. Want to take your styling skills to the next level? We have got some yellow bodycon dresses styling challenge to help you improve. Hi friends, want to know some secrets to styling your yellow bodycon dresses? We have got some hacks to share with you. Want to know what's hot in yellow bodycon dresses for 2024? We have got the scope on the latest trends. Want to take your classic bodycon dresses to the next level? Here are some expert styling tips to share with you. Empires your waist, your battle cardigan or jackets and some texture with a fox for coat and admin jackets. Play with properties too by pairing with oversized accessories. Highlights your legs with a pair of heeled ankle boots. Keep it simple with a classic bodycon dresses and yellow theme bodycon dresses. Want to know the best way to style your yellow bodycon dresses for your body type? Here are some tips and tricks for pear-shaped bodies. Balance your hips and A-line cardigan or jackets from hourglass figures. Emphasize your curves with a battle dress or top. For pretty frames, go for a shorter hemline to elongate your legs. For tall and lean bodies and some volume with a flow cardigan or jackets. These tips will help you find the perfect classic bodycon dress for your body type. Hi friends, want to take your yellow bodycon dresses to the next level? We have got some expert styling tips to share with you. Assist to waist with a belt dress, balance your with a jackets or cardigan, add some texture with a scarf hat, play with properties by pairing oversized accessories. Do not be afraid, experiment with different shoes. So, long yellow bodycon dresses plus short bodycon dresses. We are amazing and attractive dresses and you will be try to parties, date as anniversaries for your comfortable and confident. So sunshine in dress for me, our vibrant yellow bodycon dresses is the perfect way to brighten up your wardrobe and make to a statement. Made from luxury stretchy fabrics, this dress hugs your curves in all the right place, creating a faltering straight line and that's both confident and alluring. The bright yellow hue is both cheerful and chic, perfect for making a statement at your next night out of special occasions. Making a statement at your next night or a special occasions The classic design features a round neckline, delicate gap sleeves, and a fitted bodice that showcase your tone physics. The skirt falls just above the knee, creating a subtle feminine flare that's perfect for dressing up or down. Whether you are heading to a summer wedding, a music festival, or just want to add some warmth to your everyday style, this vibrant dress is sure to turn heads. Pair it with natural accessories and sandals for a chic, effortless vibe, or go blend with bright heels and statement handbags for a look that's truly showing stopping. With its comfortable four-way sketch fabric and seamless construction, this dress moves with you, ensuring a far range of motions and comfortable fit it all day long. Dresses plus its durable, high-quality construction ensure it will remain a staple in your wardrobe for season to come. So why settle for everything less? With its comfortable four-way sketch fabric and seamless construction, this dress moves with you, ensuring a full range of motion and comfortable fit all day long. So why settle for everything less? Brighten up your wardrobe with these stunning yellow bodycon dresses and get ready to shine. Diesel in our radiant yellow bodycon dress, perfect for making a sunny statement. This vibrating dress is designed to brighten up your wardrobe and turn heads. Bright and cheerful shade, perfect for spring and summer. Classic design with a round neckline, delicate cap, sleeves, and a fitted body. Felting streamlined that hugs your curves in all the right place. Subtle feminine flair with a skirt that falls just above the knee. Pair with natural accessories and sandals for a chic, effortless vibe. Goblet with bright heels and a statement handbags for a looks that's truly show-stopping. Add a pop of color with a bright clutch or shoes for a fun, playful touch. Made from luxury stretchy fabric for a comfortable fit, four-way sketch fabric moves with you, ensuring a full range of motion. Seamless construction for a smooth, filtering, durable, high-quality construction ensure it will remain a staple in your wardrobe for season to come. Perfect for spring and summer events such as wedding, festival, and parties. Great for everyday wear, dressing up or down. Ideal for making a statement and tuning heads. So I settle for anything less. Shine bright in our red, yellow bodycon dresses and make a sunny statement. Add some glamour with a statement neckline and headline ankle boots. So, want to know what's hot in classic bodycon dresses? Here are the latest trends and amazing trends. Use a hair to tie to create a makeshift belt. Turn a dress into a skirt by layering with a graphic tee. Add some edge with a leather jacket or the main waist. Create a new look by swapping out shoes. Use a scarf to add a pop of color. Highlights your curves with a belt dress. Add some curves with a flare dress. Balance your shoulder with the statement sleeves. These tips will help to find the perfect yellow bodycon dress for your body type. Let me know if you need any further changes. Hi friends, want to know the best way to style your bodycon yellow theme? For your body type, we have got some awesome tips and tricks. That's it for today's video. Friends, we hope you found some inspiration for your next outfit. Remember, always be confident and stylish. Subscribe to my channel Fashion Design. Thanks for watching.